How to build a healthy snack for children. Snacks should provide nutrients and energy. They need to be made from the 4 main food groups of the Eat Well Guide. To learn more about the Eat Well Guide, please watch this video. Think of the different food groups as building blocks that we put together to get all the important nutrients. Ideally, each snack should be made of 3 of these building blocks and always contain some fruit or veg. And think of it a bit like a mini meal. Let's build some healthy snacks together. Take some carrots from the fruit and veg group and add some hummus for protein. Or crackers from the starchy carbohydrate group and pair with cheese, giving some dairy and alternatives. Adding cucumber for a veg option. Let's take some boiled egg for some protein. And have some cherry tomatoes as a fruit and veg choice. Some toast topped with nut butter and banana for carbs, protein, and a fruit source. Or a plain yogurt with berries and a spoonful of seeds mixed in, providing dairy, fruit and veg, and protein source. And don't forget something to drink with all the meals and snacks. Water and milk are the best choices. Watch this video on how much fluid children need, and for more healthy snack ideas, make sure to subscribe to the Public Health Dietitian's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video.